Tell me what I want, I'ma throw a fit. I'm the shit, I know I'm the shit. Yeah, I'm super lit. If you don't,
every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
So what the fuck is good, YT? What the fuck is going down? It is Bobby Go Up, and I am back for another video. If you like videos like this, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe because I need it. What was that? Give it to me, bitches. Give it to me, please. I like it. My name is Bobby Go Up. I do reviews. I do reactions. I do story times. I do vlogs. I do makeup tutorials. I do drama, all that. But this right here is about to be like on like a look some new shit. Try on haul. Not even new. But like, so I did this before, but I ordered so much stuff. So much stuff. Oh, that's so cute. I'm so excited. Yes, ma'am. Stop. Okay, guys. Let's just jump into this video. Okay, so this is gonna be what I spent on each item, and yeah, if I like it. The material, it took 2 weeks to ship out. I'm gonna let y'all know that now. So BOOHOO does take forever to ship, bitches. Okay, this is cute. It doesn't have a little weird smell to it. I like it. I feel like I could fit this perfectly. Okay, great. That's cute. And they sent me this in the mail. I don't know what this is, but it's all beat up. Oh, it's to get money off. Okay, and that shirt was $12. It's an insert caption t-shirt. This shirt was $12. And then we have this one, which was $10. It's kind of long, but I'll make it work. They don't have any weird smells to them so far. I've never got anything with a weird smell. These are the jeans. Oh, these are so cute. Yeah, I ordered these. These were $22.40. And I know they fit perfect. Because I'm going to tell you, they fit true to size. They fit perfect. Like, pants, they fit perfect. I know that for a fact. Oh, I was waiting for my utility jacket. Oh, I'm about to give bitches the issue in this. Matter of fact, do I want to change this right now? Because, baby, I got on blue shoes and I'm loving it. This right here was $20. Yeah, I like this. I don't think I'm worried today. So, yeah, this was $20. And then you have these sweatpants. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. I'm wearing these with these. It's going to be so cute. Can't wait. These were also $22. And then we have this shirt, this little turtleneck type of shindig, long sleeve ribbed funnel neck jumper. This was $15. I got all my shirts in the size small. And then I'm gonna wear this with these. This was $8, which came to a total of $117.39, including taxes and including shipping. I'm gonna wear this over my shoulder like this, like that. Yep, boom. just like that. This was $8. I would most definitely recommend them. They are very cheap. Well, I would say cheap. They're reasonable, and they have good quality products. I love all their products. I think they're cute. I would try these on right now, but I have somewhere to be. So if you guys want to see that, I'll do like a try on haul, or I might do like a lookbook. But you gotta thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to let me know if you want to get into that. But if you like videos like this, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, bitches. I love you guys. Like, I love you guys. Peace.